The month of March is International Women's History Month. And this month I want to take time to shout out some of my sister friends, niece friends, colleague friends. Just shout out to some of the women that have been instrumental in my life or just show me love. So right now my focus is on Yazzie. Her real name is YERSAMINE Rolle. And I want to tell you why. Coffee. It's that simple. YERSAMINE makes the best cup of coffee that I've ever tasted. Maybe that's not quite true, but it was that memorable. And with a cup of coffee, she loved me. I will never forget that she made me a hot cup of Sanka coffee with real cream and real white sugar, which I don't really even eat white sugar. And I will never forget, like the first day she met me, she made that. The coffee was incredible, but her love is memorable. So thank you, Yazzie. You will always be my sister-in-law friend. Love you, girl. Bye-bye.